Hello everyone, I just returned from school. In our school there was an activity. Yesterday our class teacher told us to bring some sprinkles, a bottle of chocolate syrup and some condensed milk and some James chocolates. So our mother at the mon- at the day of the activity at morning our mother had a few Oreo bits. These were crushed in the mixer grinder, and my mother also made some dough. She mixed the Oreo bits with the dough, and she made a brown color dough. So I brought that to school with a paper plate and a paper bowl and a spoon. Then uh, then put we had put some chocolate syrup round the dough, and some condensed milk, like the same way the chocolate syrup was put. Then we put a lot of sprinkles. Our class teacher put some James on the donut. And finally, I made a really yummy, tasty donut. Isn't that yummy? Please comment how this donut looks like. Thank you.